Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and show you how to upload or change the images on any marketplace. So we're in Japan at the moment. So say you launched in Japan and you wanted to update your Japanese images. And we're using this as an example. So what we do is we've got all the images here that we want to upload, but you see the file names are funny. We need to name these correctly, and the correct naming format is the ASIN, which is up here, of the product. And then you need to do main for this first image here. So this would be the asin.main. And then the second image would be asin.pt01. This one would be pt02, and so on. So I'll just show you here. So this is the main image. So we put the asin and dot main like that. And it has to be in a JPEG format. And that's done, that one. And then, which one was the second image again? So the second image is this one. So say this is slightly updated new. So this one would be .pt01. That's just a naming format from Amazon. I'll show you where you find this out. And then I'm not going to look, but we see this one to be our next image. This would be pt02. This one would be pt03. And finally, this last one is going to be pt06. We've labeled them all correctly, and this is the order they're going to show up on Amazon when we upload them. So what we can do is we can either leave them or we can create a zip file. I'm going to create a zip file of this. So I'm just going to select them all, save them as a zip. Okay, so we've got the zip file here. Let's call it that. It doesn't matter what you call it. Okay, so we've got that. So what we can do is go back to here. Then we can say, you need to go to the quick upload area. So if you're on Amazon.com or on any other marketplace, it doesn't matter. You just go to the marketplace that you want to update the images. So in this example, it was Japan. So we're in Japan marketplace here. And just in the catalog, there's upload images. And then if you're in the US, you have to do it from this area. But if you want to do it for any other marketplace, and this bottom line says you can do it for a specific market, you go upload here. And now we're in the market-specific area, so we just go to Japan, because we're doing Japan in this case, and all we do is drag our folders in here to upload. So we can either do them one by one, so I could just drag this in here, minimize this, so I could just drag this first image in here, and then submit it, or then you have to do that for all the other images, or if you can go to the zip folder, drag that in instead, now the zip's here, and submit that. And that's the way you submit your images for different marketplaces. And one thing to bear in mind, if you're using a global ASIN, so it's the same ASIN you're using in other markets, so say you're using the same ASIN in Amazon.com and Amazon Japan, sometimes it may, if you haven't uploaded your US images this correct way, it may overwrite them with the Japanese ones. So you go back to your Amazon.com and go through this image manager area and upload bulk submission area, then upload your images again for Amazon.com, labeled as they are here with the asin.main, asin.pt01, etc. Then upload them, and that will get your US images updated again to the correct ones. And then if this overwrites Japan again or the other market, you just need to simply re-upload them, and then that way they will both stay in the markets you need them.